Hello everyone, Namaste. My name is Prince Sarin and I'm from class 6. Well, the matter of making this video is like not a very simple case. Basically, you know, the time right now is actually 12:40 p.m. at the night time. 12:40 a.m. is the time, and you must be wondering why at this time I'm not sleeping and why I'm making this video. It is because I have heard this news that there was a train collision at my own state, Odisha. Well, this train collision is so means it is so tremendous and so destructive that now what news on currently what I know is that 50 plus people are like confirmed they are like dead, and as I have got the information, 350 people are injured, and the local hospital and the other ambulances also came to the point of incident, and a lot of people means more than thousands of people are stuck behind the train tracks. It is a very matter of concern because this is the means India's most dangerous and the most destructive train collision ever. Because in India, basically, before there were no such collisions. As you know, train or the railways are one of the safest mode of transport. But means having such a great disaster is really a matter of concern. Well, the reason for it is very simple. Well, let me see what exactly has happened. Well, in this case, three trains were actually collided. Well, so let me tell their name. First of all, we have Coromandel Express. It was going to Chennai, and in the way the collision happened. Second was another passenger train. Till now, I've not got the name of that passenger train, but still, it was full of people. And then third, not a passenger train, but it is a goods train. This goods train was also collided. So accordingly, means simultaneously three trains were collided with each other. So you can just imagine that one train has so many you know places where the people basically stay, right? So many people must be sleeping at that time, many people must be sitting, many people must be looking outside, but they don't know that in a few moments only they are going to face the death in the dark, in the darkness of the night. You can imagine, in a whole dark night this collision happened, and how sad it is to hear all these things. The place of collision was Bahananga Bazaar. Bahananga Bazaar station was the place where the collision takes place. Well, it was so fast that this collision has got its name. You know what? Its name is the Odisha train tragedy. Odisha train tragedy, right? So basically, the reason for me to make this video, not only to inform what all things happened and to give information about that, but one most important thing, you know, from this train collision, as you can see some of the footages in all of the media channels, and over here as you can see. So like what is the value or what is the lesson we get? Even if our country is best, our country India is best in everything, in each and every category. For suppose our country India is best in each and every category, but one thing is, what was the core reason for happening this disaster? This happened because the first thing that happened with the goods train, as you remember, it slipped out of the track. That means, do you understand? As many eyewitnesses say that the train slipped off. But what was the reason? That just means that the trains of our India, they might be decorated or they might be made more beautiful. But what is the reason to do that? If the track the track of our country India is not that proper, or it is not getting that proper maintenance, then how can we make our trains more decorative and then run? So the lesson is, along with making the trains look good, we must also take the maintenance of all these railway tracks, because this is the place, or this is the way on which railways work. And without this, what is the means value of decorating all our trains? So I hope you understood well, means how actually the train collided and what are the lessons that we learn from it. So thank you guys for watching this video, and for such more fun, informative and engaging videos, be sure to subscribe my channel, like, and also share your thoughts in this channel only. I will be meeting you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.